Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Do I have something for you all out there? It is from Pandahall Select. They have wax seals, jewelry making stuff, lots of beautiful beads if you're into beads. And if you go over there today, after you watch this, use a coupon. I have a code. Put in tinascrafty for additional 10% off all your orders. And they have a new customer coupon, and it's actually August mega sale for them. So here's what I got, guys. I got me a Casper DIY wax seal stamp kit. So let's see what's in it. Ready? So you got an iron wax furnace shaped like a deer, ain't he cute? We get a brass stamp seal stamp. It comes off. So if you have other ones of these, and you don't have a handle, there you go. This one says made with love, and I'll do a video of what that looks like. You also get two shaped hearts for your burner, and you get some PVC creative stickers. They're kind of cool. And you get some paper envelopes, 4 colors of each: black, yellow, brown tone, and orange tone, and purple, or pink, sorry. To start. There is 720 pieces included in this kit. You also get some metallic markers. This is like a gold, like a rose color, like a purple, and a silver. And then you get some wax pellets, I call them. I think, let's see, what do they call them here? Mixed color. Sealing wax particles. Okay. In this nice plastic container. This came plastic wrapped, real sealed, real good. Everything was really bubble wrapped for shipping. So you get 30 little pieces of each one of these little pellets in this nice kit. Nice plastic container. Rainbows of colors. Reds, maroons, silver, bronze, black, orange, yellow, pinks, purples. I mean, aren't they pretty? So, 30 pieces of each color. What a nice variety, am I right? Can't wait to use these. So, this kit, with everything I showed you, was $18.03. So I will have Pandahall Select information in my description bar. Please go over and check out their store. Like I said, they have jewelry making stuff, they have beads, they have wax seals, they have wax stamps, a lot of these. And use tinascrafty for additional 10% off your order. And like I said, they have an August mega sale going on right now. So, like I said, I will have that all in my description box below, so go over and check them out. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming in and checking out my unboxing. And, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Have a good day, everybody.